Animation is the art of giving inanimate objects movement so that they seem to have a life of their own. It's just another way of telling a story, really. The objects can be drawn, painted, constructed, sculpted, or simply found around the house. At one time, a fair amount of photographic equipment was required to produce a stop-motion animation, but with the availability of technology, such as smartphones, tablets, home computers with webcams, it's a fun art form that's within most people's reach. The basic requirements for stop-motion animation are thus access to a tablet, smartphone or computer with webcam, and an animation application. Also required will be some objects to animate, a little imagination, and a lot of patience. Many animation applications are available to use for free. Examples are Stop Motion Studio, Flipperclip, and Q Stop Motion. There are disadvantages to using free versions, as most are missing some features and some are plagued with adverts. You can still have a lot of fun with them though. For this demonstration I shall be using Q Stop Motion on a laptop PC running Windows 10 and with a USB webcam connected. Q Stop Motion can be downloaded from sourceforge.net. Q Stop Motion is a simple application that's very easy to use. There's no sound and no complicated settings or features, so it's a good app to start with, and it's open source, so it's completely free to download and use. Also, there's access to an online manual via the Help tab, which describes all functions and processes in detail. This is a really good idea for beginners. Once downloaded and run, Q Stop Motion looks like this. You'll notice that Create a New Project is highlighted, so click on OK. You'll now be asked to give your project a name. I'll call this Demo. Next, at the top right, you'll see that Recording is pre-selected, and under that, Video Source. Your camera will be shown in the box beneath this. If your device has more than one camera connected, select the one you wish to use. Under this box is a box to select your required camera resolution, and thus the final video resolution. I'll leave mine at 640 by 480. Leave recording mode at single frame and capture at mix. A frame is a single image, and a series of frames will eventually become your video. Number of images refers to onion skinning. This is a really useful feature that enables a ghost of the last frame shot to be seen within each new frame. This makes judging each movement much easier, as you will see. Set number of frames to 2. Time to turn the camera on by clicking on the camera button. After a few moments you will see your first frame in the main window. Adjust the position of whatever you're animating as necessary, then click on the red button. Your first image is captured. You can see it at the bottom left of your screen numbered 1. This area is a timeline where all your captured images will be shown in sequence. Now move your object. You will see a ghost image from before the move. The slider control at the bottom left is the onion skin control and adjusts how visible the ghost image is. Try it and check its effect. From left to right, the other controls under the main window are go to frame 1, go back 1 frame, capture image, play all frames, go forward 1 frame, and go to the last frame. Carry on capturing frames and try the controls to check what they do. Save your animation from time to time using the File tab and then Save. When you're happy with your animation, export it as a video using the File tab and Export. Once you know your way around the basics, try other functions under the Edit tab. Camera controls can be found under the Windows tab, and don't forget the online manual via the Help tab. Here's a simple animation made using household objects with the Q Stop Motion app. It's a bit rough and ready, and I did add some sound post-production. I hope it demonstrates that you can enjoy producing stop animation using just about anything.
Oh,